Hello everyone, welcome to the July edition of Market Watch. Recently, Toronto Real Estate Board has announced its stats and data for the month of July, and let's see how market has done in that month. We're going to be covering up four major aspects in that. One is number of transactions, price point, days of market, and active listings. Let's check the stats one by one. In the month of July, it has been a record-breaking month. In July 19, we had 8,555 transactions, but in the month of July 20, we had more than 11,000 transactions, an increase of 29%. The reason for that is, traditionally, July is a slow month because people are out on vacation. This is the first month after the school closure, but because of a very slow April and May due to COVID-19, the pent-up demand, which have shown the results in the month of July. The spring, we say, has arrived late as such. So there's a lot of activity, and this is a record-breaking month for July with number of transactions. The second major aspect considering is the property days on market. In July 19, an average property stayed in the market for 33 days, which has gone down to 25. It means there's a lot of competition in the market. People wanted to move in the property before maybe the school starts. So there's a lot of activity and properties are moving very fast. The third major aspect, and which is one of the aspects which concerns everyone, is the average selling price. In July 19, the average selling price of all the properties was $800,000. When we talk about average selling price, this is all type of properties across board. But now in July 20, we have seen $943,000 plus, an increase of 16% compared to last year. Let's check out the inventory. The total listings in July 19 were 14,403, but in July 20, 17,956, an increase of 24% because of the province entering the stage 3, number of people, number of sellers who want to put the house on the market have increased. So looking into that reasons, we see a lot of activity and demand increasing and people putting the house on the market. In case you're looking for an update in your particular neighborhood, or you're looking for an update in terms of your neighborhood market and evaluation of your property, you can reach us and we'll be more than glad to give it to you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel so that we can update you with all the new developments happening in the market. Thank you and happy watching. Bye-bye.